So in this unit, we focus on Microsoft Excel. And therefore, we start with opening and closing an Excel sheet. And then we'll also look into the basic features of an Excel sheet, or how to navigate, how to use, and how to enter data into the Excel in general as you navigate. But then we'll focus on data editing, how you edit your data that you have put in the Excel sheet. We'll also focus on formatting, how you format your Excel sheet. And then we'll look into the built-in functions. That will help you be able to do a lot of operations for your teaching and learning. And then we look into how you do the sorting, sorting in terms of the data you put in the Excel sheet. And then we also look into a number of charts that you'll be using when you are teaching. Graphs like pie chart, histograms, bar charts, all these will also be demonstrated in this unit.